Packing up the ice cream truck from Kiddzery is easy. First, make sure all the doors are shut. The back blind is velcroed in. The side door is zipped up. Remove the rod holding out the front. Rod pulls out, goes in half, and goes into your storage bag. Also into your storage bag, put all your ice cream, toys and condiments, scoops and everything first. I also like to keep the instructions in there as well. Folding up the ice cream truck first, do the front, push the one corner into the opposite corner. And you'll notice that it easily folds in. Do the same with the back, opposite corner across. And it folds in. Now you have the big flat piece. Take your opposite corners again, and as you fold it in, it forms a little hammock. Then take the opposite kinds and just fold over. These two pieces will slip across, and there you go. It's all folded up nice and neatly. Slip it back in the bag. Zip it up. Pack it away.